Good afternoon, everybody. I just have to step outside because there's a lot going on inside. But I just thought I'd introduce the vlog. Today is Christmas Eve, and as some of you may know already, all of you by now should know that us Hispanics celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. So we're gonna have a bunch of family coming over today. And I just thought I'd come outside and start the vlog off, because if not, I will never have time to do an intro for this video. So yeah, welcome in, everybody.
Hello, everybody. Today we're coming back here, and Celia. Hello, everybody. And Kiki got me a skirt. And this snowman of the so long. And show you. She got her nail polish. And say hi to Kiki. Say hello to everybody. Kiki. Kiki. Kiki, say hi to everybody.
To who?
To Kiki.
Hey, Anna.
He's playing the game. Hi, Kiki. Where's Rami? Where's Rami? Hi.
Please, girl.
¿Tiene nombre? ¿No tiene nombre? Eso es de Kayla. Ya saben, pongo ahí. Con Kayla and Kayla para Kayla.
We're missing one more little girl.
A ver, ladies. They can't really see it.
The madness is just beginning. Alrighty. We got beans.
Quiere la familia grande, como 5.
Ponche. That's how good it is. Alrighty. We're gonna have the food. We got, ¿qué es esto, más? Sweet potatoes, camotes, more rice over here. And these are all pambazos. And that box over there too. So we are eating, me and Mama Isa. Okay, we're going over to the next door neighbor's house, literally the next door neighbor's house, to go give her the news that this one is pregnant.
She's been knowing me since I was 14 years old. 14, huh?
Yep, 14, yeah. So we're gonna go visit her right now and give her the news. Alrighty, we just gave her the announcement that she's pregnant. We got some edamame, some wine and water for the pregnant one. I'm gonna do a cute little montage. She gave us some gifts. But I'm gonna do a little cute little montage for you guys from this house. Alrighty, so here we go. Let's say hello, everybody. Here's Shakira. Oh, she's pregnant again. Oh. ¿El niño? I don't know. Say hello, mom. Another video.
Everybody.
Got Good Burger. Family. We're finally eating.
En la pachanga, mamá, el que se duerma, lo trasquilamos. Ah, se la sabe, ya vamos a tranquilar más.
All right, we're about to build these. For pictures, girl. Take some pictures outside. We'll be back with some cute pictures and photo session outside. Alrighty, we're gonna record this cute little photo session.
You better make sure it's recording.
When it
Yeah,
wasn't.
how's my hair look? No, me and Celia. Okay, here. I'm muy sudada la cara. Ay, no. Se me hace que cerré los ojos.
Oh wait, no, Akira, your mom is covering your face with the antlers.
Oh my god.
Mira la cara.
Una más.
Qué bien. Y no decía. Mejor acá. Tú en medio, mira, ahí en medio.
Yeah.
¿Quiere una aquí que?
No, the kids.
Más arribita.
Take it. ¿Sabes bien?
Tiene que no se vean palosos. Alright, I need one, this one.
This is a chaos. Hopefully this camera doesn't fall.
Pero. ¿Esto qué? Órale.
He's looking.
I don't know why it's so lopsided. Sorry, guys.
I want to be seven.
Era.
Lift up the ears like that. Alright, trying to get these girls to stay still for a picture is not the easiest. My camera's about to die.
¿En la cabeza?
See? Hold on. I didn't have my flash on.
Ándale, así mero. Bonitos y gorditos.
Done with the madness. Where's Stephen Curry? We got Stephen Curry in the house with the OBL.
Isn't that basketball player? Yeah.
Well, because he's tall. Look at Brandon. Stand up. Stand up. Look at.
Call me Derrick Rose.
Alrighty, y'all. We just came to 7-Eleven. It's foggy in here, but we came to 7-Eleven to pick up some snacks for this pregnant one. Alrighty, we just came back from 7-Eleven. We got the best of the best. We got, what is it? Rancheritos and what is it? Churramais. Sabritones and the men's request Coronas, and they only getting a 12-pack because ready for your Christmas presents for your dad? Yeah?
What is that? No, let me see.
Kayla, let me see.
Kayla.
Ooh! Anna, let me see what you got. Oh! We're all just sitting around, giving out presents. Giga, turn around. I can't see you. Oh! Bruh, we all look a hot mess. It's hot as hell. We're giving away presents, and it's loud and chaos. It's only the first person giving out the presents, so we're gonna be here a while. We got a crazy wild family. Can you tell we're very dysfunctional? Oh, this one got her present next. Ooh, socks and a candle. Damn! These two. Super drunk.
Thank you, tía. Perdón, ¿tiene frío?
Thank you, baby girl, for my present. Let's see what you got me. Open it right now, okay? Damn, everybody wants that big present. Poor Kayla, they got her carrying it.
I want to wear it now, but... ¡Es la licuadora para los cubitos!
A ver, no.
Es dinero.
Look at your mom's face.
Another baby Yara, right?
Thank you. Estoy aislando.
Godfather, imposter.
Oh!
Grandfather.
Grandfather. The Godfather.
Angelo.
Scarface.
This is mine. Ese está bonito. No sé, pero a mí me gusta. ¿Quieres sientar? Deja al viejito que se siente ya. ¿Qué parece?
Play, tío. Seven? What is that?
Oh, San Luis.
Capaz no se volvió la
Girl, let me see. You got your back against me. Ooh! Who is that? Your twin?
Wow, let me see, baby. Let me see. I'm gonna get your black doll. Okay?
So people finally left. A few. Well, we still have a few people here, but they finally left. I'm ready to just take off this makeup. Oh yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I may or may not continue it tomorrow because you know we have el recalentado tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you all on my next video. If not, then I'll see you guys tomorrow.